If you want to know, guys, how to use 0.25mm dermaroller and to use properly, because this is very important, properly, and to use whatever you think it is, this video is right for you guys. So what it does, 0.25mm dermaroller, this is one of the smallest size on the market, and it does these beautiful things. So the first thing is actually stimulating your skin, so your blood and the oxygen flows in your skin, aka a facial massage. Who doesn't want that? Also, it is helping your products absorb into your skin, because around 20%, only 20% of your product, let's say you're going to apply a cream, a serum, without dermaroller, it's only getting into your skin that amount, 20 to 30%. Now, if you apply serum cream and then dermaroll, or dermaroll and then apply, this doesn't matter which one goes first, your product actually gets into your skin 90 to 100%. So basically, you are not wasting your skin care product, serum, cream, essence, mask, whatever you're going to apply after. How do I prepare dermaroller? How do I prepare my skin for everything? So I have alcohol. You can have alcohol as a liquid. You can have alcohol prep pads like that. And I already disinfected. So you can actually pour alcohol above the sink, leave the dermaroller in the case like that, and wait until your roller head is gonna be completely dry. Or you can take out one of this pouch and roll in your hand on that pouch. Make sure you always disinfect your dermaroller with alcohol, because this is very important. You also want to disinfect your skin with alcohol. And I know none of us like to use alcohol on the face because it's drying. It can make our skin flaky, but that is very important. When you dermaroll, you create tiny wounds. You can even bleed. You basically puncture your skin, and if you don't disinfect your skin properly, you can get serious infections. If you don't know, guys, I am Jean Amber, founder and creator of Jean Amber Beauty microneedling tool brand, which I am so obsessed. I've been doing that for many years. I have done so much research. I am so passionate, and I'm advocate for the right and correct dermarolling, because dermaroller has a bad name in overall beauty industry because it can damage the skin. And yes, it's true, if you do not know how to use it properly on your skin. That's why you have me, so I can teach you how to use dermaroller properly on your skin. And disinfecting with alcohol, it is one of the ways how to start using dermaroller on your skin, so you do not have any side effects and you have the most benefits out of that. And I'm gonna open one more to double go wipe everything to make sure that it's gonna be disinfected and clean. And if you're living in a country where you are not allowed to buy alcohol, the best alcohol, if you're able to buy, is isopropyl alcohol 70%. But if you don't have that, then it's witch hazel. The product that is called witch hazel, you can also disinfect your skin and dermaroller. Do not use any other products like a mouthwash, Listerine, or herbicide or nail polish remover, especially on your dermaroller, because plastic is okay with alcohol, but it's not okay with nail polish remover. You might gonna destroy your dermaroller if you use nail polish, because in my business experience, I have a dermaroller brand for almost 4 years. I have had situations where people disinfect their faces and their rollers with any kind of crappy liquids, and then they destroy their skin and they destroy their dermarollers. I'm taking 0.25mm dermaroller and I am sliding, and I always lift. It's the main rule, the main technique tip in dermarolling. It is rolling and lifting, rolling and lifting, rolling and lifting. Never do this, never. Roll and lift, roll and lift. If you know why I'm doing this, let me know down in the comment below. And then roll and lift, roll and lift. You can actually add a little bit horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. So what do you do with the cheek? I go horizontally 3, 4 times, 5 times, depends how you feel. First time, your session should never be more than 5 minutes. So you can actually see that maybe 1 minute on the forehead, 2 minutes on each cheek, and then maybe 1 more extra minute for your nose and your lips, and that's it. So I'm going quickly so you guys can see. It's plumping your skin. Even with 0.25 with this size dermaroller, you can actually plump your skin really nicely. You can use this size every like 2-3 days. If you have sensitive skin, I will say start with twice a week, maybe then once a week. Sometimes people ask me, so do I need dermaroller if my skin is great? Yes, your skin is great right now, but in 10-20 years, your skin is not gonna be great as it is right now. Dermaroller is a great prevention tool to prevent, you know, acne, scarring, wrinkles, fine lines, discoloration. And right now what I do with the lips, my favorite part, I actually dermaroll my lips. So I make a slight like a duck face, but not very much like selfie on Instagram. Not like that. So just kind of a little bit. And then I do the same. An amazing thing, if you have a smoker's lines, you don't want to do this because you're rotating the needles on your skin, and that's not very healthy. You should never do like this or the brow. If you want to do brows, up, and then down, and the same thing here, up, down. Don't go like this. That is damaging your skin. You want to do this 5 times, then 5 times here, and 5 times, I don't know if you see it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the lip is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want to never use this dermaroller on the open mouth because you can damage your enamel, and I have done this. Trust me, you don't want to do this. Extra love on my lips because I want to have big lips. Now you can use a dermaroller on your neck. If you have not seen my neck dermaroller video, I'm gonna pop right here somewhere, one of these corners, and you can go directly to that link and check it out. It is a great tool to use on the neck. After that, you wanna go and disinfect the dermaroller the same way you disinfected before the treatment, and leave like this stored in the case, closed like that. I do have disinfect dermaroller video as well on YouTube channel. I'm gonna pop right here somewhere, or all the information is gonna be down below in the description box. Also, a quick reminder that dermaroller must have real needles, because if your dermaroller doesn't have real needles, sort of like this, especially with the replaceable head, this is replaceable head. It is good to have replaceable head, but is this not good for your skin? So you have to decide what is more important to you. If you do have fake dermaroller needles, like for example like this 540, it is basically damaging your skin. I do have also video what's the difference between real and fake needle dermaroller. I'm gonna put right here somewhere in the corner and link down below in the description box. It is very important to know, guys, that you're using real needle dermaroller, because fake wheels does not have needles, does not give you benefits, and might scratch and destroy your skin. And about my brand dermaroller, all the links and information gonna be linked down below in the description box. You do not have to buy my brand. You can do your own research and buy other brands that sell real individual needle dermarollers, but I'm saying right now that there is nothing else cheaper than my dermarollers. There is like real dermaroller, like the original one that is from Germany. There is, what's the name, Rodan Fields, also it's like around $200 dermaroller. They do have real dermaroller, but you know what you want to pay for the dermaroller is up to you. And what I do after, it is very important to know what to apply after. And after, I'm using my Gin Amber Beauty Vitamin C cream. which is dedicated and designed to be used after microneedling. Right now, my skin, as you see, is a little bit red, a little bit more irritated, and that's totally normal. I'm not bleeding, nothing, it's not painful. I feel like kind of prickling, like itching sensation, a little bit like a slight sunburn. And you want to apply as much as safe and natural product after as possible, because you don't want to put on the skin, on the wounded skin, something that has a parabens, fragrance, silicones, drying alcohols, perfumes, anything that can harm your skin. And anything, when you have open kind of tiny channels, everything can go inside in your bloodstream and can go into your organs, which nobody wants that, and your hormones and everything can be affected negatively. So I'm taking a 1 pump of vitamin C cream. This is vitamin C plus squalane cream. And there is a lot of controversial information on the internet that you cannot use vitamin C product, and it's partially true because vitamin C, mainly mostly 80% of all the products has form of L-ascorbic acid, which is not really healthy for the skin to use after microneedling. Every day it's fine, but not after microneedling. Me, as the owner of the company that owns microneedle tools, I have a vitamin C product that doesn't have L-ascorbic acid. We do have sodium ascorbyl phosphate, the most gentle, the most bioavailable form of vitamin C. And actually, I'm so happy because more and more beauty brands starting to use this form of vitamin C, which is totally safe. And I am applying a little bit on my face. Very gentle tapping, never wanna like move around. You don't wanna do that. You don't wanna like really pull your skin, super tiny, like gentle, like this tapping on your skin and the eyes. Totally okay if you apply this cream on the lips. Make sure you don't eat for another hour. And so what I do right now, because I forgot the nose and I can actually really dermaroll on the nose, this is great, get rid of blackheads. So 1, 2, 3, I maybe want to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bye-bye blackheads. Okay, and that's it, and I don't need to do anything else. After that, I do not go in the sun, I do not go in the sauna, I do not go in the gym, I do not run, I do not sweat. I'm avoiding sun for at least 2-3 days. Do not use any exfoliating acids. For example, I do have Genarme Beauty HA cleansing exfoliating cleanser with the acids. I do not use this 2 days after microneedling. That's it, guys, for today. I love you so much. If you have any questions, please leave me down below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Give me some tips, some recommendations. I will take that. And please subscribe if you haven't. Click that red button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love you.